Within the realm of ship chartering, there exist various types of charters, each serving distinct purposes and involving different levels of responsibility and control over the vessel. 1. Voyage charter. In a voyage charter, the charterer pays for a specific journey from one port to another. The shipowner provides the vessel, crew, and covers the costs associated with the voyage, including fuel, port charges, and any necessary insurance. This type of charter is particularly popular for transporting bulk commodities like oil, coal, or grain. It is advantageous for charterers who need a cost-effective method of moving large quantities of goods across seas without the responsibilities of vessel ownership. The contract details include the cargo quantity, the journey's start and end points, and the expected delivery time, making it clear and straightforward for both parties. 2. Time charter. Under a time charter, the charterer rents the ship for a predetermined period, which could range from several days to several years, depending on the agreement. During this period, the charterer has control over the vessel's navigation and commercial operations but does not own the ship. The ship owner remains responsible for the maritime vessel's maintenance and the crew's management. This type of charter is ideal for businesses that need consistent shipping services over time, but want to avoid the capital expenditures associated with buying and maintaining a fleet. The flexibility of a time charter is beneficial during periods of fluctuating market demand, allowing the charterer to capitalize on transportation needs as they arise. 3. Bareboat charter, also known as a demise charter. This arrangement is where the charterer takes on almost all aspects of the ship's operation and maintenance. The charterer becomes responsible for the crew, including hiring and paying them, as well as for the management of all onboard operations and the maintenance of the ship. This type of charter is akin to renting an apartment where the tenant is responsible for all upkeep and utilities. Bareboat charters require the charterer to have significant expertise and resources to manage such endeavors, and they are often used by companies looking for long-term control without the financial burden of purchasing a fleet. 4. Contract of affreightment, COA. This contract type is unique. It does not involve chartering ships in their entirety but rather focuses on the cargo. A contract of affreightment involves an agreement to transport a specified amount of goods within a stipulated time frame. This agreement allows the carrier to use any number of vessels to transport the cargo, providing significant flexibility. For instance, if one shipment is delayed, the carrier can opt to use another ship that is available sooner, thus adhering to the schedule as closely as possible. This type of arrangement is particularly useful for businesses that have a continuous need to transport goods, but do not have a predictable or consistent volume, allowing them to manage shipping in a more fluid and cost-effective manner. Each charter type elaborates on the possibilities and responsibilities entrusted to both the shipowner and the charterer. By understanding these diverse options, businesses can tailor their maritime transport strategies to fit their specific needs, whether they are looking for short-term solutions or long-term engagements. The choice of charter is influenced by several factors, including the nature of the cargo, the required delivery schedule, financial considerations, and the availability of vessels. Moreover, the legal implications and the international regulations governing maritime transport also play a crucial role in deciding the type of charter to be employed. The complexity of each charter type provides businesses with the flexibility to navigate through the dynamic and often unpredictable waters of global trade. For instance, a company dealing in seasonal goods might prefer a voyage charter for certain times of the year and switch to handle irregular larger shipments. Another business might use a time charter to ensure they have reliable shipping available at all times, which can be particularly important in industries where timing and regularity are crucial, such as in the supply of goods to retail businesses. In conclusion, the diverse range of ship chartering options allows companies involved in maritime transportation to strategically select services that best fit their operational needs and financial capacities. Each type of charter offers distinct advantages and involves varying degrees of involvement and control, providing businesses with the necessary flexibility to optimize their logistical operations against the backdrop of a fluctuating global market. This strategic selection is crucial for maintaining competitiveness and efficiency in the sophisticated arena of international shipping. Each of these charter types is designed to meet specific logistical needs and financial strategies within the diverse landscape of maritime transportation. They allow charterers to select the most appropriate contractual terms based on their cargo requirements, financial constraints, and market conditions, thereby optimizing their operations within the complex global shipping industry. As we delve deeper into the technological revolution, artificial intelligence, AI, is making significant inroads into the ship chartering industry, transforming it in ways that were unimaginable a few decades ago. AI's impact on this sector is profound, enhancing decision-making capabilities, optimizing shipping routes, and significantly improving cost efficiency. Let's explore how AI tools are being integrated and their real-world applications. Firstly, AI-driven analytics platforms are revolutionizing how chartering decisions are made. By processing vast amounts of data, including weather patterns, political climate, market trends, and port conditions, these platforms provide predictive insights that help companies anticipate market movements and make informed decisions. For instance, AI systems can predict the optimal time for chartering vessels based on expected changes in oil prices or demand fluctuations in certain commodities like grain or coal. Moreover, route optimization is another area where AI is making a substantial impact. AI algorithms analyze historical data and real-time information to suggest the most fuel-efficient routes. This not only helps in reducing the voyage costs but also assists in lowering the carbon footprint of maritime operations. For example, a leading shipping company recently implemented an AI tool that suggested alterations to their standard shipping routes, which resulted in a 10% reduction in fuel consumption, showcasing significant cost savings and environmental benefits. Furthermore, AI is enhancing operational efficiency through automated and intelligent scheduling systems. These systems can manage and schedule fleet operations with greater accuracy, reducing downtime and increasing overall efficiency. They adjust dynamically to changing conditions, such as sudden weather changes or port traffic, ensuring optimal utilization of the fleet. In addition to these applications, AI is also being used to improve safety and risk management in ship chartering. Advanced AI-driven monitoring systems can predict potential system failures or hazardous conditions before they pose a serious threat. This preemptive approach not only protects assets but also ensures the safety of the crew and the environment. In conclusion, AI is not just a tool, but a transformative force in the ship chartering industry, driving businesses towards more efficient, safe, and cost-effective operations. As we continue to harness the power of AI, the horizon looks promising for the maritime sector, with smarter, faster, and more reliable chartering solutions shaping the future of global shipping.